So guys, no matter what you think about Snap-on, whether you say they're too expensive or they're a rip-off, one thing you've got to agree on is they're some of the most highest quality tools around today. I mean, these things are made in the USA by USA workers with USA made steel, some of the best in the world. They're just expensive. That's why they get all the hate. Let's see what you can do to change that. So why is Snap-on so expensive? I mean, typically you got an independent contractor who's got a Snap-on truck. He buys the tools from Snap-on and then he resells them to garages, different mechanic, auto body shops, different mechanics, professional mechanics. He drives a truck to them every week, so you have to pay for that convenience. He's got costs, he's got fuel costs, he's got different things like that he's got to pay for. They have free financing. You can finance these without a charge for 8 to 10 weeks in most cases. The easy warranty, something breaks, something happens to him, you know he's going to be there on Monday or Tuesday, whatever day of the week he usually comes. You go hand him this tool, he'll hand you a brand new one, and you're back in business. And also, if you get to be, if you have a good relationship with the driver, you can also get a discount. So, most of these mechanics are not paying full list price like I am if I go to the Snap-on website. So for a DIYer like me, I go to the Snap-on website. I'm not getting, I'm not getting anything delivered to me. I'm having to go call the driver, find out where there is a truck, call the driver, arrange to meet him at a certain place. And even though I pay for the financing charge, I don't get free financing. I have to pay, with cash or with credit card. And then the warranty, I got to go track this guy down again to try to turn in my tools. So I don't get that easy warranty. So not only that, I'm paying full price. I don't have a relationship with this guy. I'm paying full price for these where the mechanic's paying discount price. And plus he's also getting all those other perks. That's why for the typical guy like me, a DIY or even a handyman, Snap-on is just a little out of range for me. But I do like the quality. I mean, these are the two of the Talon grips. I've got a 5-inch here and I got a 9-inch. And I mean, these are some of the best tools, best pliers that I have ever bought. These things are amazing. Just the fit and finish of them, as you can see, just amazing tools. I just really, really like them. Now, Icon makes them. You can get these Icons for less than half the price. You're getting a tool made in Taiwan or China. I don't know where they're made. You're getting Taiwan steel versus USA made steel. You're not getting USA made craftsmanship with this. These are made by USA made workers, in the United States, putting Americans to work. And I don't know where these are made. Most of you guys will know, but I think it's probably Taiwan, Vietnam, something like that. This is all USA made steel. And let me tell you, steel makes a difference. And these are some of the best tools in the world, these Snap-on tools. You can get the cutters the same way. These are the knockoff cutters. I got the pliers from them. These are all the Snap-on pliers, only because I didn't feel like paying twice the amount for Snap-on because I'm not getting all those other perks that these guys are getting in these mechanic shops. Until now. I went to the Caterpillar website and I found these. This is a 3-piece set of the basically Snap-on tools. They're all exactly the same tool. They're all Snap-on, made by Snap-on, branded for the Caterpillar market. And the only branding I can see on here, there's no writing that says Caterpillar. The only branding I could see is the yellow handle. That's it. If you could see here, this has just got a part number with USA stamped here like Snap-on does, and nothing on the back but USA stamped here. But it does have that classic Caterpillar yellow handle, and that's what you're getting. Now, these are the 3-position slip joint pliers, and I do have one here from Icon. As you can tell, they're basically a knockoff, a replica of that, but with cheaper steel and, made in Taiwan versus USA made workers here. So, I mean, if you want real Snap-on pliers for half the price where you're not getting all the other perks. You can't finance it. The truck's not going to deliver it to you. You have to actually go to the Caterpillar dealer and pick these up like I did to get them cheaper. Look these up, because I mean, basically you're getting it for less than half the price. Now, I'm going to show you a picture here. This exact set on the Snap-on website is $193. $193. What did I pay for these? I paid $94 for these. So I saved $100, basically $99, $100. I saved over half the price by getting Caterpillar branded versus Snap-on. Now, some of you guys love to see this Snap-on writing here. You want to say, yeah, this is Snap-on. Well, I can say this is Snap-on too, but it only cost me half as much. Now, you can see these pliers here. I mean, look at these. Look at these pliers. This is just the styling on these Snap-on tools and the design. Look how beautiful that is. I mean, that is just one fine set of needle nose pliers. I'm not even sure they make these anymore. I tried to find a price on these on the Snap-on site. I couldn't find them. But man, look at the machining on that. Just a beautiful set of pliers here with this, yellow cushion handle. And also the side cutters the same way. You can tell these are induction hardened here by those little, you can see the marks there were induction hardened. It's got USA, of course, stamped here with that classic yellow Caterpillar handle here. These are just a beautiful set of tools. The only thing you get here is a part number here and the USA stamping. That's it, USA stamping on both sides. So this is going to be a quick one, guys, but I'm telling you, if you want Snap-on quality, but you don't want to pay for the extra perks that you're not going to get as a homeowner, DIY, or handyman, go to the Caterpillar website, check these out. They do have a lot of other Snap-on tools. Be careful, some of the tools they have are not made by Snap-on. So when you see something that looks like Snap-on, go to the Snap-on website and make sure you're getting a Snap-on tool made by Snap-on from Caterpillar. That's it, guys. By the way, I don't even know what the warranty is. I guess I should have looked up the warranty, but I didn't. I mean, how often are these pliers here gonna break on you or anything like that? I mean, these are, this is some very high quality tools. So that's it, guys. I appreciate it. Remember, go to CaterpillarParts.com. Check them out. See you later.